guys, welcome to my channel. So today is my husband's birthday. Happy birthday to Leo. Yes, so I'm going to be making his birthday breakfast. I just woke up, so no makeup and my hair is a total mess, right? But that's beside the point. So his request for his birthday is French fried chicken with festivals. So I'm going to show you how I make my French fried chicken with festivals. I'm not gonna show you everything, but you're gonna see what I do to get the desired result. So this is what the chicken is looking like, guys. Blend it up a little bit better. I'm gonna get some flour now. Flour and egg. I like to coat my chicken first and then dip it in the. So guys, I went ahead and put some pepper on the chicken because I love peppery chicken, right? And I save a little piece for baby guy without pepper. Just a little piece. So what I do is put it in the egg wash, and I don't have a lot of space. So yeah, put it in the egg wash. Then I the pepper tingling my throat. Then I put it in the flour. So I'll continue this process.
So guys, if you hear me munching in the background, I'm eating an apple. I'm kind of hungry. So tell me, some of the food. The chicken are so long. Look how them pretty. Look how them pretty.
So guys, now I'm going to be making some festivals, and I do not use measurements. But if it's just the two of us, or rather 2.5, Carol will be getting a taste now. But if I should say, this is about a cup of, no, a cup and a half of flour. About a cup and a half of flour. This is about quarter cup cornmeal. This is a self-rising flour, so I'm not going to use a lot of baking powder. It's half teaspoon. I use egg in my festival. this is my secret ingredient. You try it, guys. You won't regret it. The coconut milk gives it a it takes it above and beyond. Let's try it. So guys, I'm finally finished the French fried chicken, my husband orange juice and some festivals. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Birthday breakfast. Yeah. That's Carol. You want some? So guys, thanks for joining me today. Cooking with for my husband. Tell me what you think, guys. Do you like this content? Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys. Leo food done.
Finally.
Seriously.